Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to purchase any skin outfits right here on Fortnite. So let's just go right down here until you guys see item shop. Under item shop you will see some skins and other things here. So any outfit that you guys like to purchase, such as this one, the Bush Ranger, we just have to press A on it. From there you guys will see buy as a gift or purchase item. So yes, you guys can buy this as a gift for somebody else. However, in this case we're just gonna do purchase item. Just press X and that's about it. As long as you guys have enough V-Bucks, you guys can go ahead and purchase it. I do have another video showing you guys how to buy V-Bucks if you don't have enough. But other than that, you are done purchasing right now this skin. In order to wear it, let's just go back and go into our locker. Now automatically it should have changed into that skin. But if it didn't, what you guys have to do is just go to your skins and pick whatever skin you like. So in this case, it's this one. We're gonna wear this one. And this one will actually be my standard skin for now on if you guys are following my videos. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.